BMW Group is poised to unveil the BMW Concept Touring Coupe at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este 2023. This one-off closed two-seater model encapsulates the tradition of BMW's classics as a symbol of freedom and the joy of journeying. The Concept Touring Coupe is a tribute to the enduring allure of the automobile. As Domagoj Dukec, head of BMW Design, puts it, the car exemplifies the sheer driving pleasure central to BMW's ethos. It reflects the timeless passion for driving that has remained crucial throughout the ages. The vehicle's signature six-cylinder inline engine reaffirms its status as an embodiment of pure driving pleasure. The exterior design showcases striking proportions, particularly in its sculpted rear end. Distinctive shooting brake proportions, represented by the long bonnet, streamlined roof contours, and a robust rear, add a touch of sporty elegance. The exclusive sparkling Lario exterior paintwork, combined with silver bronze accents and specially designed BMW kidney grille, enhances the vehicle's unique character. This is further complemented by the exclusive light alloy wheels with discrete gold-colored surfaces. The vehicle's interior mirrors BMW's driver-centric philosophy, with meticulous attention to material selection, color scheme, and craftsmanship. The two-tone interior design by Poltrona Frau and the custom-made luggage set from Schedoni exemplify the marriage of functionality and luxury in this concept car. These elements come together to create a vehicle that perfectly embodies the BMW ethos of sheer driving pleasure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.